Hi friends, what do you have that you can make good use of? What do you have that is valuable that you are not using? What skills, what abilities do you have that you could make, that you could use to improve your life, but you're not aware of it? Do you remember the story of a woman in the Bible who said to a prophet that she had nothing? In fact, this woman was ready to die. And then he asked her one question: what do you have in your house? And then she remembered that she had a jar of oil. And he said to her, go and borrow many jars from your neighbors, as many as you can get. And she went and she did it. And he told her, start pouring oil in the jars. And this woman, she poured and poured and poured and poured until all the jars she borrowed was filled. And she had more than enough bottles of oil to sell. But this lady had no idea that she had that much wealth in her house. Are you being that woman today? What do you have? What skills do you have? What resources do you have that you're not making use of? Are you good at doing hair? Are you good at organizing events? Are you good at arranging things? It could be writing. It could be speaking. Think about it. What skills do you have personally that you can use to improve your life that you're not using? Start using it today, because you are gifted.